Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. I am Preeti Rajani working here as functional consultant. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about how to manage currencies in Oracle Fusion application. So what is currency? We create or enable any currency for displaying monetary amounts, assigning currency to ledgers, entering transactions, recording balances, or for any reporting purpose. All currencies listed in the International Organization for Standardization 4217 standards are supported. The default currency is set to United States dollar. Consideration for defining the currency codes, date range, symbols. Currency is the seeded data in the Oracle Fusion application, but if you want to create any currency as per the business requirement, then we can create it by following the few steps. Now in application, we will see what are the currencies already available there and how to create new currency. So let's move to our application. Go to setup and maintenance. Go to task list. Click on manage implementation project. Select your project. Here in the task search option, search manage currencies. Click on this task. Go to task option. As I told you that currency is a seeded data. So from simply clicking on search, we can see what are the currencies that are already there in application. You can see here, by default, these are the currencies that have been provided by the Oracle itself. For creating new currency, we have to click on create icon. You have to give the currency code. Say, just for illustrating purpose, I am taking anything here. Currency name. Here you have to give the description. This is the start date and end date. This is for the date range that we need this currency. And simply we will click on save and close. I'm deleting it. You can create the currency as per the business requirement. This is how we can create currency in Oracle Fusion application. I hope you understood. Thank you so much for watching the video.